What's up everyone, so Dr. Tar's back again, doing another DIY prop video. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own Scarlet Spider suit. So, quick rundown of the materials. You'll need sewing kit, thread, needle, crap like that. You'll need fray check to make sure the edges don't fray. You'll need paper, scissors, and a pen, a suit, along with its mask, and a bit of cardboard. Alright, now we get those done. Alright, then you'll want these big white foam, like, edged lenses from Zentai Zone. You can get them from other websites, but these are from a previous suit, and then I added the reflective lenses to them. So I'm going to use them on this suit. So we're not going to use liquid stitch, or I'm not going to use liquid stitch this time, because I don't have any and I'm very poor. So what we're going to do, we're just going to sew them on since they're foam. So, alright, you'll want to use your black thread right there. Hang on, sorry, need to point the camera up a little bit. A new camera, not used to working with it. Also, you might want to do this while listening to music or a good TV show, so you can hear music in the background, which is Fox on the Run by Sweet. I like old music like that. I wouldn't really consider... Or, yeah, it is old. I'm getting off track. Anyways, next step. Alright, I forgot to mention one other thing that you'll need. You'll need a blue hoodie or shirt. So, there you go. Alright, so what you want to do, you want to cut out little eye holes on this piece of paper, and then get the mask and cut the eye holes out. Put some fray check on there so it doesn't fall apart from the bajillion little strings on there. There you go. And as you can see, I have no idea what the crap I'm doing on how well those eyes look, but yeah, the lenses are covered up anyways. Alright, so next step. So oh, my voice cracked. Ugh. Alright, so your next step is get this thing laid out. Oh gosh, it's kind of inside out. Alright, pull that through. So there you go. Alright, so now your next step will be the cutting. This and the mask are the only cutting that you'll probably have to do. Oh, also forgot to mention, you want socks as well to have the red shears and a permanent marker to draw on them. And also apply fray check to the socks so that way they also don't fall apart on you. Alright, so you got your materials out now. Alright, so be very careful. I'm gonna make mine a little bit messy, just, for the sake of it. So there you go. To make it look more homemade and like some lazy jerk who does YouTube videos. I mean, some lazy teenager, who barely has any time on his hands, barely has any money on his hands, and who is just recently getting the new next-gen consoles, because I'm poor, would do it. So, there you go. So just do the same for the other arm. Alright, there you go. You got yourself the top. And, alright, so the mesh should be just about dry now, so let's break out the thread and needle. Now, as you can see with this step, I have not a single clue what I'm doing at all, as if I ever had any idea what I was doing in the first place. Alright, yeah, we're getting a little bit close to getting the first lens done. Because these are foam, it'll be easy to puncture through. If you get plastic reflective lenses, you're going to have to drill holes through them. Or just do the smart thing and liquid stitch them. Or do both. Better safe than sorry, I guess. So I guess I'm going to be sorry if my lenses ever come off on my actual Spider-Man suit. the ones that I attach the lenses for. That's fine. I'm an idiot. Alright. As you can see, I've got that threaded. Or not threaded, but almost stitched. Alright. Alright. There we go. That's a bit better. Now we're getting somewhere. Alright. I'm gonna do a bit of a jump cut here because I'll have to edit in something. Or just whatever. Ah! Oh my gosh, this is the biggest pain in my butt since last year's exams. Oh. Yeah, next step. Somebody call an ambulance because I'm going to have a heart attack because I'm going to get so aggravated. And this, oh my gosh. Okay, after 10 minutes of me trying to figure out what the crap I did, my voice cracked again. After about 10 minutes of me trying to figure out what I was doing, I finally got it. So, first lens done. So, you can follow my hectic steps. Just do that. To this side. Yeah, oh god, let's do that freaking lens to sew. Jump cut. Alright, so, whatever, everybody. I'll show you how the rest of it works. I might add a bit of paint to the front of it. I'm going to, like, you can use it, not just, you can also, you don't have to use a shirt. You don't have to use a shirt. You can use a hoodie, something like that. I'm going to split it up into two parts. I'm aggravated. My head hurts. My phone is being a retard. So, that's it, everybody.